Yes, now let's see how we can run GS file in VS terminal here. So first of all, you have to go to the path where is your file. For example, here I have it. I have a folder. Inside this project folder here I have subfolders here. This is my subfolder called multi-control box. So I can open it, come to this, right click and open this, open integrated terminal here, so that I know I am in the right place to run my GS file here. If you are not here correctly, you have to use CD so that you can go to the right and correct path. Here, first of all, if you want to run this GS here, what you have to do, you have to check if you have Node.js installed. So you can write node space -v. So yes, now we have this one installed. So what we can do is to write node, then the name of the GS file we want to run. So I have a simple calculator here with my GS content. So the name of the file is main.js. So after writing .js, we write main.js and press enter. You will see the console logs for this file content here, because here we have the calculator. It will calculate 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3, then and so on. Let's press enter here and see the outcome. Yes, as you can see here, those outcomes are coming from this console.